It's Sunday, December 1st, 2019. Welcome to All About Your Benjamins and your weekly mixtape and weekend review video. I hope you had a great Thanksgiving spent with family and friends and safe travels. Shortened week, which means shortened news cycle. I've got 3 articles for you, so let's get to the headlines that may or may not be impacting your financial plan and portfolio. We'll start with the markets. Shortened week, end of the month. Markets ended on a positive note for the month. It actually was down on the last day. But if you look at what the Wall Street Journal reports, it's the best month since June. Don't get too excited. It wasn't that far long ago. But again, it's been a great year for the market. I would say it is a market that no one really wants to trust. A lot of negativity still out there, yet the market chugs along, which again goes to show you investing is hard. All the reason in our mind for reason the year would be bad does not work out. So it all plays into my core belief of having a diversified portfolio, a globally diversified portfolio, and holding for the long term and focusing on the things that we can control. So don't try to reason with why things are happening. Just be there for what you need it to be. If you're long-term invested, have it tied to the right time horizon. If you need money in the short term, maybe you want to reevaluate where that sits right now, what's the most appropriate place. But otherwise, markets in November had a good month. We'll see this continues through December, and if we get that Santa Claus rally we all hope for. Next up, we're talking about GDP growth. It actually was stronger, so it was at a 2.1% growth rate in the third quarter. The estimate was 1.9%, so not a huge percentage increase, but it is better than expected going into the fourth quarter. It is all led by the consumer. So consumers continue to spend, which means they're confident in the economy, in the market, and what they're seeing right now, and that should bode well for holiday seasons going in. Business investment is still slowing down, so that's the businesses investing back into the business. But all in all, it's a good sign that the GDP, which is the gross domestic product, sales of all the goods and services in the U.S. is still growing at a steady rate. We'd love to see it higher, but hey, we'll take 2.1% and not complain about that. The final headline is about Black Friday. So we had strong Black Friday numbers, but we're seeing that there's not as many people out in the stores. And I can tell you firsthand from my wife's store, she had a great day in store on Small Business Saturday, so not quite your Black Friday. The next day is the big day for the small businesses, but she had a better than expected day online. So the trend that we're seeing on Black Friday in the stores is what she is seeing as well. Great foot traffic in her little store. She has a very nice niche, but she had real good online shopping as well. We had a crummy day in Fisher's yesterday, which would also tie into maybe more people waiting and shopping online and not going out in cold rain. But consumer spending, Black Friday numbers were good. We're just seeing more of it shift to online, which makes sense. Why would you leave and go mess around with a bunch of people if you don't have to? So that is all I have this week. I told you, short and sweet. Heading into the final month of the year, can't believe it's here. Hope you had a great week again with friends and family. Be sure to check out all of the mixtape vlogs below, or if you're watching this on YouTube or listening on your Amazon device, head to allaboutyourbenjamins.com. Check out the weekly mixtape. There's some great posts below from some of my friends from around, and this is when I've got to get better. If you're liking what you're seeing, make sure you subscribe, like it, comment. I would be more than happy to dialogue with you in the comment sections on YouTube as well about anything you want to know more about. But be sure to share, subscribe, all that fun stuff to keep these videos being found so we can help educate more people. So with that, I'll let you get to your day. Have a great week, and I will see you next Sunday with that week's Week in Review. See you later.